Some of the worst circumstances and situations for the health and feel of your beard are when you're sick or recovering from surgery. It does not feel good, and trust me, it's not just you. We have all been there. Your body is amazing at prioritizing what it needs, especially when it needs it. When you are sick, it sees your hair as something that is not a necessity to survive. So let's say you are fighting a sickness, your body's gonna reroute all the nutrients that normally would go to your hair, that would go to your skin, and other things like your nails that they're like, we don't need that right now. And it's gonna route it to where it needs it. And you're gonna kind of suffer from that. Same thing when you're recovering from a surgery. All those areas that need that extra help, that extra recovery, boom, your body's gonna reroute it. The best way I like to explain it that most people can understand is it's like hypothermia, right? You're going in somewhere really cold. Let's say you're in a lake and all of a sudden your body really goes into that hypothermic state. What happens? What's the first thing to really go? Your fingertips and your toes. Why? Those are the outer extremities that really don't need that immediate help in that hypothermic circumstance. What's going to happen is all of that blood, all of that warmth, all that nutrition is going to go in towards your core where your heart and your vital organs are. Your beard does that same thing like the fingers, like the toes, it starts to go. And now what does that look like if you are sick, if you are recovering from surgery? You're likely gonna have massively increased shedding. You run a comb through your beard, you run fingers through your beard, you're gonna have a lot of hairs coming out, which is a very freaky thing. Trust me, I know, but it is natural. And listen, it is okay. Otherwise, you're also going to feel things like your beard being dry, your beard being brittle, and just doesn't feel right. Maybe you even start to get some itch or tender spots in areas that you've never had before. That just comes along with the territory. But the question and the answer to this video is, what do you do about it? When you are sick, when you are recovering from any kind of health situation, what can we do to make the best out of the situation? I'm going to answer all of those in a pretty short video, I believe. But first, I want to welcome everybody and do a couple little quick calls to action, housekeeping, house cleaning, whatever you want to call it. My name is Dancy Bearded. Thank you for checking the video out. I would first like to say, my subscribers that keep coming back, thank you guys. You make all of this entirely worth it. I love the comments. I love the support. And I love the thumbs up. Anybody out there, if you don't mind, hit a thumbs up for the video, for the help, for the vibes. And if you're not subscribed, please consider it. If you like taking care of your beard, if you want to have the best beard possible, this is the home for you. We got you covered. Check out the comments, check out the live streams. I think you'll be pretty impressed and feel like you found a home. We got you. All right, so what do? You're sick, you're recovering, surgery, whatever is going on. You had a rough spot in life, but you're ready to come back and your beard's just not feeling good. The first and foremost, most important thing, everything kind of wrapped into one, get yourself healthy. That's all that matters. Everything that you would do to recover from that sickness is going to help your beard. Drink more water, get your vitamins, get your nutrients that you should be, get up, get active. All those things that sickness does to you, like dehydration, doesn't make you move around much, you're in your bed, you're not eating as much, you're not holding down as many fluids. All of that's terrible for your beard. So you just need to recover. You just need to get healthy. Sometimes things are just out of your control. If you have a surgery and you're bedridden for so long, guess what? It is what it is. Is it good for your beard? No, but there's nothing you can do about it. Don't add stress, don't add problems by worrying about your beard. Just get better, just get healthy. And I know that's not like the exact precise answer you want, but it is the right one and it is the one that you need to hear. Other things that can be particular to your beard, wash your beard. If you're covering from a sickness, that means you have germs, you got stuff going on, wash your beard, maybe up the conditioner a little bit, right? We don't want to over condition. That's not good for our beard and especially the skin underneath. But if you do need that little bit of help, that little bit extra, this could be a circumstance where you're like, okay, I'm going to wash it daily and on a 7-day week, let's say I'm recovering for a week, maybe I'm going to go 5-6 days with conditioner just to kind of get by, just to kind of get through. That could be that little added boost that you need. But that's one of the biggest, is really get that wash going to really clear everything out. Now, another is go with the beard oils that you feel have the best nourishment for your skin underneath your beard and for the beard hairs. Don't worry about scent. Don't worry about how your beard looks. Which ones rotating through is a very good benefit as well, so you avoid that beard plateau where you're not feeling all the effects. Which beard oils do you feel penetrate, seal, and really just make your beard feel good? go with those ones. I think you all probably have some that you're thinking of, and it's different for everybody. Go with those ones. Now let's also work in some night beard butter. For those of you that aren't using beard butter, this is probably the most important time. That is a deep night nourishment. When you're not doing anything, you're sleeping at night, it's gonna be going to work for you to help that beard bounce back and recover. But that's about it. Try to drink more water, try to eat the good food, try to get up and active when you can. As much as you can do to recover from that sickness, from that surgery, it's gonna help your beard, okay? To wrap this up, I don't even need 2 seconds for a conclusion. I'm gonna roll right into it. I mainly wanted to make this video for peace of mind for you guys. I've talked about this on live streams. I've answered lots of questions about it, but I hope somebody is recovering from sickness, right? That means they're getting better. I hope that they're like, oh my gosh, my beard feels terrible. Let me go to the internet for an answer. Let me see if Dan has a video. And the answer is, it's normal, it's okay, relax, you will be fine. Even if you have a couple of weeks, period of increased shedding, guess what? You have a lot of beard hairs, your beard will survive. You're not gonna notice in a month and 2 months from now. I just wanna put your mind at ease, and I want you to focus on getting healthy, on not being stressed, on doing what you need to recover. Your beard will be with you. Our beards are wildly resilient, and it will bounce back, okay? Let me know your thoughts down below. Have you experienced recovering from a sickness? Have you recovered from a surgery? What about any extra tips or tricks you have for people watching right now? Or are you just like, yep, just simply that peace of mind is helpful, Dan, thank you. Whatever it is, I would love to hear from you guys down below. Thank you for watching right now. And if you're feeling bad, if you're feeling down, I hope you guys get better. Reach out to me if you need somebody to talk to. I love that conversation. Thank you guys. Dan C. Bearded, stay bearded, and stay positive.